Parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland is present posterior surface of thyroid gland. This is the thyroid gland. These are the two lobes of the thyroid gland. So on the posterior surface of thyroid gland, these parathyroid glands are present. There are the four, that is two pairs of that gland. One pair is the superior and this one is the inferior pair. So this is the trachea, larynx, and here below the larynx and both side of that, here the thyroid gland is present. So on the surface, posterior surface, here the parathyroid gland is present. Then it secretes a part hormone or Collip's hormone. It increases the blood calcium level and it is absorbed from the bones. So they maintain the calcium and the phosphate concentration by the parathyroid and the calcitonin. The parathyroid and the calcitonin hormone, they are antagonistic. So it is a parathyroid hormone. Thyroid hormone is peptide hormone, or it is also called the Collip's hormone. It regulates calcium and the phosphate balance between blood and other tissue. It releases the part hormones, increases the blood calcium level, and it draws the calcium from the bones. Then here the bone releases the calcium, so it absorbs from that bone. Then it reduces the calcium and vitamin activation. So from that intestine, the activated vitamin D helps absorption of calcium in the gut. Then there are the different disorders like hyposecretion of parathyroidism. And due to that hyposecretion of parathyroidism, it shows the twitch and the spasm of muscles. What happens here? When the parathyroid hormone or the low concentration of calcium is in the blood, due to that hyposecretion of parathyroidism, the low concentration of calcium in the blood, due to that here the nerves and the muscle increases the excitability, and due to that the muscle as well as the nerves twitch and the spasm. So twitching and the spasm of muscle and the nerves is due to the hyposecretion of parathyroidism, as well as the hypersecretion of parathyroidism. Due to that here the more calcium is absorbed from the bone. Here more calcium is absorbed from that bone due to the hypersecretion, and that's why here the bone becomes soft, bent, and there may be the possibility of fractures. And that means here the osteoporosis is occurred, and especially in the women who are in a menopause case. So this is the hypersecretion of parathyroidism. This is the hypersecretion of parathyroidism. Okay, so the softening of osteoporosis is occurred due to the hypersecretion of parathyroidism, and the muscle or the twitching of the spasm, or the twitching and the spasm in muscle and the nerves is occurred due to the hyposecretion of parathyroidism. Okay.